Hi, my name is Samson, and on this video I'll be teaching you on how to add up a chart of account and how to know what the chart of account is mean. So follow me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also write your comment. And for any question or any view on this, we show you. But let me start by what the chart of account means. The chart of account are those accounts that you use when you're running your business with. Let's say, for example, in accounting, we have five elements of account. That is expense account, income account, equity, assets, and liability. So, with this concept of elements of accounting, there is no any organization will run without such kind of account. So follow me on this video and I will put you through and show you all these accounts. Here we go. As I've told you earlier, if you finish setting up your company on Quickbook, so you can simply scroll down here to accountant in order to add your chart of accounts. As I've explained it earlier to you, that the chart of accounts are such kinds of accounts that you run your business with. As accountants, we have five elements of accounts. That is expense account, income account, equity, assets, and liability. So regard to that element of accounts, we'll be open to the different accounts. We'll be having some expense accounts, asset accounts such as motor van, furniture and fitting, and also under equity we'll be having capital accounts. Expenses will be having electricity. Depend on how your organization needs such accounts, maybe manufacturing accounts or non-profit making company. So it depends on that. So as manufacturing accounts, we'll be looking on today. So you click on this account, you see accountant center, chart of account, fixed assets item, let me say so blah 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 blah. You just come to chart of account here. So this is the chart of account generated by an existing company on this Quickbook. So if you want to add up your own, you come to account here, you click on new. What types of accounts? Sorry, there's an account that is been created. So you come here, new account. Is it an expense account or an income account? You choose expense account. Continue. What type of expense account? Let's say advertisement. Advertisement account. Save and close. You see, the advertisement has come. You come, add new. Now let's say we want to create a loan account. What's the name of that loan? Just short-term loan. Short-term loan account. You add it. You see. So this is how you'll be adding your chart of account. Select, is it a fixed asset? What type of fixed asset? Is it a land, building, or what? Let's say land. Save and close. You see. So this is how to create a chart of accounts. Let's say income account. You create service account, service income. So there's a name related to that, service income 1. You create, you see. So this is how to add a chart of an account, and you can also delete the chart of account. For example, you see, delete the chart of account. Are you sure you want to delete? You delete it. You just click on it. Click on any. Come here, you say delete. You delete. And even if you want to edit it, you see edit, then you go and edit it. And also you can even import the chart of account from your Excel. Maybe your organization has been into existence since, and you just adopt this accounting software. You can also insert it via you can even insert it you can even insert it through Excel. So on my next video, I'll be teaching you on how to add a job, how to add a job, how to attach that job to every chart of account. So please don't forget to subscribe to this my channel, and also for my newcomers, you can also subscribe and also write your comments on every of my video. Thank you.